Hi friends, this video shows how to lock kids profile. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Here you can see kids profile, kid 1. Select it. I am going to lock this profile. Then enter Google PIN. And here you can see kids lock. Let me lock this profile kid 1. Done. After that, let me go to home screen. Then go to top left corner, select switch accounts. Then let me go to kid 1 profile. Let me switch to this profile. Done. After that, if kid is trying to go to parent profile by selecting switch account, here it will ask for the PIN. The kid has to enter the Google PIN, then only he can go to the parent profile. So this way we can lock kids profile. Okay, that is the one use of this kid profile. There is one more use. If assume that somehow the kid got the access and he is trying to change the settings of the profile. For example, if he access this accounts and profiles and try to access this kid's account, it will again ask for the PIN. He has to enter the Google PIN, then only he can change the settings, kids profile settings. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.